If you've ever wondered what are the differences between those cool blondes in the Belle Tress City collection, wonder no more. Today I'm going to compare them for you. I'm going to show you the colors inside, take them outside, walk through the house so that you can see the differences between the three cool blondes in the Belle Tress City collection. Now those blondes are Alpine Cream Rooted, Milkshake Blonde Rooted, and Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. And if you're curious, I'm wearing Belle Tress Malibu in Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. Now let's get started. This is Belle Tress Tribeca in Alpine Cream Rooted, and we're going to start with Alpine Cream Rooted. Now, if you look at our color swatches at frannieshair.com, you'll see under the color swatches that we label it cool, warm, or neutral as far as tone, whether or not it's highlighted, and whether or not it's rooted. Okay, so let's read about the description for this color. It says, a light, icy blonde shade with a cool, creamy base, softened by hints of pale beige for a natural yet luminous look. And you can see in here some of that beige and the coolness in the tone there. The rooted effect features a combination of medium and light brown mixed with dark blonde and light ash blonde and neutral blonde. So there's a lot of colors going on in this rooting here, creating a natural looking root that melts seamlessly into the frosty cream lengths. And it is a more subtle root. It's not a real dark root within the light color, so I do like that. This combination adds depth, dimension, and a softly grown out appearance reminiscent of fresh alpine snow touched by winter sunlight. I love the descriptions. But you can see all of that in there. There is that touch of warmth, but when I step back, overall, it's a cool tone. All right, I'm going to take this color outside for you, and throughout this video, I will compare the pictures that I'm showing you both indoors and outdoors of the different colors so you can see them next to each other. Here we are outdoors, so now I think you can really see the cool tones, some of that beige in there. You can see the rooting and all those different colors that they used to make this rooting nice and blended. Let me see if I turn, if you can see it in different lighting there. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not getting you dizzy. And I'll take it around the back of the head. And then coming into the house as well. I like to show you the colors in all the different lighting so you can get an idea. Here I am in kitchen lighting. All right, so next let's look at the same wig, Tribeca, in Milkshake Blonde Rooted. I just happen to have two Tribecas here, so that'll be nice to compare them. All right, so here we go. This is Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Already you can see that it's darker in color. It has deeper tones running through it. I'm just going to do this first, and then I'll put it on for you, just so you can see. The difference. And it's the same wig. Now let me put it on. Now my guess, actually I know, Milkshake Blonde Rooted is going to look better against my skin. I find the Alpine Cream a little bit light for me. I like a little bit more depth and darkness, especially with my eyebrows and my coloring. And these are the things you learn as you wear more wigs and more colors. Yeah, this is definitely more my color than the Alpine Cream. So let's take a look at Milkshake Blonde Rooted and what it says. It's a cool, rooted, highlighted color. So even though there are some warm tones, if I step back, the overall look is a cooler toned color. and it's described as a mixture of light sandy brown highlighted with light ash blonde with a hint of light platinum blonde and a medium root color. So you can see all of those colors in there. For somebody with a darker eyebrow like I have, I think that just blends more nicely with the whole picture, with my skin, with my eyebrows and all of that. And these are the things that you will figure out for yourself. Really a beautiful color. Let's take this color outside. Okay, here we are, Milkshake Blonde Rooted. You can see the different colors, the highlights in there. There are definitely some warm highlights, and yet the overall tone is cooler in tone. Let me just turn, get different lighting here. And I'll take you around the head. I love this color, Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Coming in to indoor lighting. It is amazing how the lighting can really change the look of it. And the last color we're going to look at is Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. So this is the Crushed Almond Blonde. This is your Milkshake Blonde. This is your Alpine Cream Blonde. So hopefully you can see all of those there. I'll try to compare them as much as I can. I would say that these two are closer, definitely, and the Alpine Cream is lighter than both of these. But these two are closer in color. And so I'm just going to turn and show them to you. I'm trying to do it with my hand here. There you go. Now this is a different wig. This is Malibu. I didn't have this color in Tribeca, but you'll still get an idea of the color. So let me take off the Milkshake Blonde. And all three of these are rooted colors. And this is your Crushed Almond Blonde. I love this style, Malibu. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's look at Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. It's a cool, rooted, highlighted color, again, as all of these are. And it's described as a creamy, cooler blend of light to medium sandy blonde with chunky highlights of light ash blonde. So hopefully you can see that there. And they are chunkier highlights where it's light. And platinum, creating soft, natural light blonde with light and medium blended root color. And I would probably straighten my part out a little bit, but I did not. There you go. In any case, there you can see the root color. So the root color on this one is darker. Now look at it on our Milkshake Blonde. There, I would say they're pretty similar, but when we look at the Alpine Cream, here, you can see the difference there with the root as well. Definitely your Alpine Cream is the coolest blonde of the three. And I would say that your Crushed Almond Blonde, the one I'm wearing, is in the middle, and then your Milkshake Blonde is the darkest, has the most darker notes to it. Okay, I'm going to take this Crushed Almond Blonde outside. Here we are, Crushed Almond Blonde Rooted. There's the rooting. Hopefully you can see the colors in this. I'll just turn. Take you around the head. And in the indoor lighting. Beautiful color also. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. In fact, let me know in the comments below if you found this type of comparison helpful, and also which colors you'd like me to compare in the future. There are so many wig colors out there, and I know it can be confusing, and I want to help you as much as I can, so I'm happy to do these color comparisons. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.